welcome back to the channel. Today we have this Memphis Shades windshield bag that we're going to be installing on a Harley windshield. I don't see a reason why it won't fit. It's actually a pretty nice little bag. Here, let's check it out right here. In the mail today we got some stuff from Memphis Shades right here. It's a little storage bag to put on the windshield. It's been on a Harley windshield, but it's a very similar setup, so I'm not too worried about it. Getting a little extra storage up there. So this will just slide through the back bracket right here. One of the bolts, probably the center one, will put right through there. Got a little locking tab up here. You could actually put a lock on there if you wanted. Kind of nice, I guess, if you're leaving some valuables in there and walk away. We got some instructions with it. Some tools. It's made for the Fats Memphis Shade windshield. Not too worried, like I said. I think it'll fit on there just fine. There's the single center pouch. I think it'll fit nice. So let's get on with the install for this thing. Now to install this bag right here, we just got the one spot on the back right here. We got a nice flat, hard piece of plastic in the back to really support it. So we're gonna take the windshield off the bike, take apart the windshield and get this mounted on there. This windshield's kind of cool in the way it comes off. It just has 4 clamps on it, and it just comes right off. So when we're working on this windshield, we want to have a nice soft area so we don't scratch it up. Now we're going to go ahead and take this apart. It's 3/8 on this side over here. The other side's a Torx. The Torx for this is a T25. And take your time doing this. The last thing you want to do is scratch your windshield. There we go. So on the back side of this right here, it's actually got a little bit of plastic, sticky plastic to kind of hold it in place. So what the instructions are saying is just put this on there and screw it on. I kind of want to do it this way. So this is a little bit different than what they're telling you to do in the instructions. The instructions, basically, they're just saying take off this bolt right here, stick this on here, stick a nut on there. I want this to run right through all of this right here. We're going to see how that works. It's going to get a lot more holding power out of it. It's not going to be nearly as wobbly doing it this way. Maybe it's a little excessive. Yeah, well. Okay, now, this one right here, we're going to slide him up and in there. Then we're going to take the nut that came with it. I'm just going to see if we can kind of line that up and push it in. Hopefully grab it. There it is. The bag has been installed. Took it right through that rod itself. It's definitely not going anyplace now. Let's mount this up on the bike and see how it looks. Windshield on there. There she is. Plenty of room right here to open and close it. I'm going to have to take the phone holder and move it over just a little bit to get some more room for that guy there because it's overlapping a little bit. But yeah, it's plenty of room right there. It's a nice spot for it. Put your glasses, shades, whatever you want to put in there. Right there. Even from the front side it looks nice. That's another useful project completed. Got safety glasses, got some shades in there, and I got my earbuds, room to spare. Some Memphis shades, did good on this, fits right on this Harley windshield without a problem. Now make sure you guys go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. We got a couple fun videos coming up in the near future here. We got a couple key fobs we're going to program for this 18 Harley Breakout right here. And I also have 2-inch extensions for the forks on here, so we're going to be raising our handlebars up about 2 inches. You know, pull them back and up just a little bit, get a little more of that upright, a little less of that down forward feeling. And while we're doing it, we're going to take these mirrors, we're going to put them on the bottom side. I'm hoping I can see something besides just my arm as I go to look behind me. That's the goal. So check you next time. Stay safe out there.